Well, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix your Amazon Fire Stick that's not connecting. So what you want to do is just simply reset it. Press the back button, the 3 lines button, and the left dial button, just like this, and hold it down for about 12 seconds. Count aloud, 12 seconds. And once that goes by, we can let go and then unplug the batteries or remove the batteries. So that's about 12 seconds. Let's remove the batteries. Take out the batteries just like this. And keep the batteries out until we restart our Amazon Fire Stick TV. So let's go back to my TV. Unplug it. Plug it back in. And you should ideally wait 60 seconds until you plug it back in. So you can see the logo. It's going to go ahead and restart. And when it gets back to the home screen, we can place the batteries back into our remote. And we can simply hold down the home button on the remote, and that should put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So it's restarting right now. And a lot of times I connect to my TV in the background by accident. So if you have multiple Fire TV devices, one remote might be connecting to everything. So let's plug this back in, or put it back in. Now, I can hold down the home button right here. And this is going to cause it to start blinking. So you're going to notice the light blinking in the top right now. And then this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So just hold the home button down, make sure the batteries are in, maybe they're not in. So let's hold this down now. And then it should start working. Now if it doesn't start connecting, there's going to be a screen that pops up that says no remote detected. And that's usually when my remote starts working. All I have to do is press the center dial button and it'll work on that screen. So you can see the light is now blinking, trying to connect to a Bluetooth device. And then it should start working here soon, but I can see it's connecting to the TV in the background. So that screen should pop up, no remote detected, and I should be able to get it to connect on this TV. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.